30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 11. In breakfast. Buttery waffles with strawberries. Ingredients for buttery waffles with strawberries. 4 eggs, separated. 1 tablespoon, just whites, egg white powder or substitute. 1 cup cottage cheese. 1 tablespoon gluten flour. 2 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons oat bran. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1/4 cup sliced strawberries. Mix egg whites from separated eggs with cream of tartar and beat until stiff peaks form. Blend egg yolks, just whites, cottage cheese, gluten flour, butter, oat bran and vanilla separately in a blender until smooth. Fold blended mixture gently into egg whites. Cook with a standard waffle iron coated with a non-stick cooking spray. Yields about 8 servings. Total net carbs, 5.56 grams per serving. Single waffle contains 2.25 grams. And 1/4 strawberries adds 2.91 grams. In lunch. Cream cheese and turkey roll-ups with pork rinds. Ingredients for cream cheese and turkey roll-ups with pork rinds. 4 slices turkey breast deli meat. 4 tablespoons cream cheese. 1 serving pork rinds. Put 1 tablespoon cream cheese onto turkey breasts and roll up. Place in microwave for about 20 seconds until cream cheese melts. Enjoy pork rinds on the side. Yield, N.A. Total net carbs, approximately 1.6 grams. In dinner. Mustard glazed halibut steak. Ingredients for mustard glazed halibut steak. 1 6 ounces fresh or frozen halibut steak. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1/2 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon fresh basil. Fish should be thawed before beginning. Heat butter, basil, lemon juice and mustard in a small saucepan until butter is melted. Brush both sides of halibut steak with mixture. Grill fish over medium-hot coals on an outdoor barbecue grill for 8 to 12 minutes or until fish begins to flake. Yields 1 serving. Total net carbs, 1 gram per serving. Total net carbs for day 11 based on a single serving per meal, 8.16 grams. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.